Okay, third time lucky. Right, so I want to animate in object mode. You know, Blender has this two modes of well, you've got the object and then you've got the pose thing. Pose being that it's just specifically for the skeleton or the armature and bones. And so what I quite like doing is just creating empties and then constraining the important bones to those empties, so we can just animate in object mode with the empties, and that's what I want to demonstrate. So what we need to do first of all is just create an empty. I've put the center there, but normally it would be on the origin, and because the rig is in meters, we need to go 0.1, so it's a bit saner on the size of the empty there. So next thing we need to do is then go constraint, object constraint. We'll go constraint, we'll go copy transforms, and then we'll select the rig first thing, and then we'll type in hand, being the bone that we want to, and it being the left hand. So now we have the empty and the hand, the empty constrained in world space to the hand. So now after we've done all that, we're going to go object, animation, bake action. I've yet to figure out how to just get it to do it on the one keyframe. Object, and it'll create two keyframes, but what we can do is just delete those keyframes. You don't really need them. You just need it to be in the right place. So now that we have an empty in world space and we've jumped into the armature, and then we're going into the bones, select the bone that we want to put the constraint on. It has a copy. It wouldn't normally have that. I don't know quite. Anyway, copy transform, and then if we select the empty, there we go. So that's the empty selected. So now if we go back into object mode, Alt Tab, is it? Yeah, Alt Tab. Now we can just grab the empty and move it around just in object mode, and we can do this for all the bones that we want. Let's say we want to parent this empty to the, so that when the character twists its shoulders, the empty goes along. We could do exactly the same. Create an empty for the shoulders, and then parent the hand IK to the shoulders, and it would go around. So this is, I just wanted to show this technique because it's something, and it can be pretty useful for transferring motion capture data. I mean, and there's more modern ways, I guess, with automated scripts and stuff, but this is the sort of underlying way that if you've got a rig, any rig that has a control rig, or even mainly the ones that have control rigs, and you're not really a fan of how they're doing the IK and whatever, and you just want a load of empties that you want to animate and move around to control the IK, this is how you can do it. So that's it really. I just thought I'd make this video, and that's it.